Hello students, Sujata Miss is here. Today I am going to teach you some creative work. Okay, for this topic, your line practice should be strong. Some line patterns you must know. Okay, so today's our topic is design on the eggs. You can say design doodle art on the eggs also. See, this type of eggs, empty eggs you will take. While breaking only, you will make small hole, take out everything and then wash it, clean it properly, and after dry this you can use for painting. Okay, so today we are going to draw. Even yesterday we can paint these eggs. We can decorate on coconut shell. Like this coconut shell you will take, you will decorate this coconut shell. On this you will arrange, you can gift someone. Okay, so your Christian friend especially. Okay, so when you arrange in this, it look very nice. You can keep dry grass, decorate your coconut shell, and it looks very nice. So today we are going to draw doodle art or design on the eggshell. Okay, so before start design on a eggshell, first we will practice some lines on the paper. I'll show you. Okay, I'll start. Okay, see this design already I have done. Different pattern of design. Okay, zigzag line, curve line, whatever different lines you know. Okay, that we'll do. And now with paint we are going to do it. So with paint we will practice on the same. Okay, which line you are done with pencil, on that we will do with color. You can take any colors. For example, you can take black and white or different colors, however. Okay, that's up to you. Now I am doing with black. Are you getting? See, try to draw thin line. Thin line practice is very important. With brush, repeat all pencil lines. Okay, see, try to draw thin line. Okay, with practice you will get it. Some curve lines I will do directly. Even with brush you will practice some lines. Circular line. Right? You will increase your patience with this. Okay, like this lines practice first you have to do on your paper. I'll do zigzag line. See, up, down, up, down. And then if you want, you can change color. With the different color you can do your another line. I'm taking red with black. Try to draw thin line. I'm feeling that red color inside. I'm feeling it looks very nice. Red and black combination also looks very nice. See, right? Got it? So different type of lines practice first you have to do. Okay, then on the eggshell we will start. If you start directly on the eggshell, students, you will get bold line and that not look nice. So first thin line practice you will do on the rough paper. Whatever design you will get, do it with brush like this. Okay, after this you will turn to your eggshell. See, right? Now we will start on the eggshell. Here I am doing black color, pointed black color, with pointed brush I'll take black color and start from up. If it is possible, you hold it on the see, even you can hold like this somewhere. Because of this you will get support. Like this you will hold and start your design. Okay, you can start anyway from any side. See, black and white, it's look very nice. Like this you can take different designs. See, very nice it's looking. Now with this I can add red color, little filling with red color. Okay, again if you want you can hold it here and do it, or you can hold in your hand and do it, whatever is easy for you. I am filling one same shape inside. See, white is also there, black is also there, and now I add red color to fill inside. Right? Looking nice? Now I want to change design. Pattern I want to change, so I'll take again black color, and with this are you getting, students? While holding egg, it's very delicate, so hold it properly. These all are strokes. Next part with red color I'll do. little difficult. Holding egg and coloring, it's challenging, but once you'll get practice, you'll do easily. See, don't hold immediately here because this color is wet. After some time, I'll go that side. Like this. Now I'll add black inside. Right? So this way we'll color all 8 shells and then we will arrange it. Now this portion is dry. I can hold here. Like this I will hold and complete this side. See. So this way you have to paint full shell. Okay, like this you will complete all your shells coloring, and then you will arrange on the, if you get coconut shell easily, you can decorate in this coconut shell or green coconut. Okay, in the green coconut even you can arrange it. Okay, so it's up to you how to arrange and present. I'll show you my final drawing how I did it. Okay, so start this practice and complete these lines on the eggshell and then decorate on the your coconut shell and gift it to your Christian friends on the Easter day, or you can keep it at home. Okay, bye students.